In this video, we will talk about how to use links to boost productivity. In your Android device, you can use links to start a chat, find a file, and so much more. For example, this is a link to an expenses file in Google Sheets. Tapping this link launches the Google Sheets app and opens the expenses file. Yes, links are powerful, and you will certainly have dozens of them. The tricky part is, how do you utilize the right link at the right time? This is where Texpand comes in. You can use Texpand to launch links from literally anywhere. I will show you how. First, we open Texpand and tap the New Phrase button. Select Phrase. In the shortcut field, type EXPNS. Then, in the Phrase field, I will paste a link to a Google Sheet expenses file. I save the phrase by tapping the back button. Now I will leave Texpand. Say I am texting my manager in the Google Messages app. While I am here, if I remember that I need to add an expense to the Google Sheets expenses file, I type the shortcut I specified in Texpand. The Google Sheets link we saved in Texpand will pop up. If you look at the right, you will see a Google Sheets icon. Tap the icon, then this will take us right to the Google Sheets expenses file. You can do this from almost any app. It works with any kind of app that supports deep links.